Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change password on CoinMarketCap. If you ever want to change your password to improve your account's security or just want a fresh start, this video will help you out. First of all, open the CoinMarketCap application and make sure that you're logged in. After logging into your account, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner and from the expanded menu, click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for Change Password and tap on it. Click on Take Me There to get to the official site from where you can easily change your password. Now go ahead and tap on Account Security, and under Account Security, scroll down and tap on Change Password. Click on Send Instructions. You'll receive an email with the instruction. Go ahead and open up your email inbox and make sure to try the junk email or spam folder too. There you'll receive an instruction to reset your password. After you open up your email, click on the link and it'll take you to Change Your Password tab from where you can easily change your password for your CoinMarketCap account. Simply enter your new password and confirm it, and then you will easily change your password for your CoinMarketCap account. So that's how it's easily done. Next time you try to log into your CoinMarketCap account, you'll then need to enter the email and the newly updated password. After entering the correct credential, you can then sign into your account easily. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.